Hello and welcome back. I hope you're all well. I started filming this when we were away for last week's video, but it was turning out to be too long, the video, so I've slightly cut it up and changed it round. So this one, I'm cleaning the van with a new product that I bought, which was the Autoglym Caravan cleaner, and also I'm going to be doing the windows, and this is how I got on with it. Right, so while we're here on site, I'm going to try some I bought this Caravan and Motorhome cleaner, Autoglym stuff. It's like a dry wash kind of thing, so I'm going to use it on the side of the van, and it's just started to rain, typical. So I'm just going to try it on the side of the van. I'll show you in a sec, and then just see what I think of it, see whether it works or not. But we'll see how we go with it. Right, I'm going to try it here. You see it's dirty, so I think you just squirt it on and then give it a wash. Let's see what happens. So I've done a bit of it there. It's gleaming. I'm quite impressed with that. Angela's just going round the edge of the locker. She's actually using, what you got? It's actually a toothpick. She's just doing it on the edge. Don't worry, she's not scratching the van. But we're gonna just do the rest of the van on this set. It's quite easy to use, really, that stuff. Just, it smells a bit, but I'll just show you. Hang on, just try and do it with holding. So I'll just do the wheel arch here, and it's quite mucky. Squirt a bit on. It does say after you've done it, you should swill it off with water. So we're going to do that afterwards. Just swill it off with water. So let it soak in. Got microfiber cloths, and just wipe it in. Stubborn bits here, you just got to rub on a bit harder. Bit of elbow grease. Yeah, look at the lines. Just squirted it on the door. Look at all the muck coming off there. You can't go wrong with Autoglym stuff, really. Right, it's one of those things, isn't it? It's like once you start, you can't stop. So we'll just get on and see how we get on with it. Right, we've done one side just with that Autoglym stuff and swilled it off, and I cannot believe the difference it's made. It's absolutely gleaming. I don't know what you can tell in the... Oh, it's not sunny, but you can just see the shine off it. That has done an absolute fantastic job. Right, now for the rest of the van. Right, I've done the van. It's absolutely gleaming. You can hear it for the wind just on this side. This side isn't as good, because I can't get up to the top of the roof. There's a mark on the roof just about there, and I don't know where it is, but I need ladders to get up there. But as you can see, that is got a proper shine on it now. That was Autoglym stuff. The front needs a bit of attention. Again, I can't get right up to the top of the roof, but it looks alright. It's looking pretty good. Right, time for a brew. So for the windows, I'm using fast glass now. The eagle-eyed viewers will notice that's not in a fast glass. I cracked the fast glass container and had to put it in this old one that I've got, but it is Autoglym fast glass, and it's really easy to use. So I'll show you what I do with that. So I'll do squirt a bit on, and then rub that in all the way around the window. Make sure it just soaks in. And then I've got another one that's dry somewhere in my pocket. I'll just get that little wipe. And it's really easy. Buffs off really quickly. It makes an absolute fantastic job of the windows. I've done the inside. just need to do the outside. Right, I'll get on and do the rest of these windows. Windows done. Look quite shiny, what you can tell from there. But that one needs a bit of a wipe, but they do look better. You can see a nice clean shine on them. One's still looking fairly tidy. But, yeah, impressed with that. Okay, so that's the outside of the van done with that Autoglym caravan cleaner, and also we've done the windows as well with the Autoglym. The fast glass is really easy to use, dead quick to use. The main thing with that is put it on with a damp cloth, and then your cloth to wipe it off with has got to be really dry, otherwise you get smears. The windows have got little marks on them, but you know, it's a 13-year-old van. There's little bits and bobs on them that I can't get rid of, but they look better than what they did before. Right, so quick video of that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the bell icon and all that lot. Cheers, we'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye.